In today's video, I'll show you how to install NVMe driver on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first, what you have to do is just make sure you have installed the NVMe drive in your motherboard. Then just boot up your PC. And after that, what you have to do is just go to search and search for device manager. Then from the best matches, just open up device manager. And after that, you'll get a screen like this. You can expand the window. And here you'll find an option called Storage Controllers. Just expand this section. And after you have done that, just go to the standard NVMe Express controller and just right click on it and click on Update Driver. Then just click on Search automatically for drivers. It's gonna search for the best drivers and install them for you. For me, it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, so I don't have to do anything. But if the best drivers were not installed, it would have installed it for me. After that, just click on Close. And basically that will update your NVMe driver. But what if you don't have this standard NVMe Express controller? To get it installed, what you have to do is just close this. Then just go to your search and search for Windows Settings or Windows Update. Just search for any of it. And after finding Windows Update, just open it. And then just give it some time and click on Check for Updates. And just give it some time to check for updates. And if it finds any update, just update to the latest version of Windows. Also, it's going to show you a list of additional drivers that you can install. Install those as well. That will also include the NVMe drivers. And after you have downloaded and installed all the Windows pending updates, you can just close all this and just go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, your problem should be fixed. And basically, that is how to install NVMe drivers on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.